I'll just leave.
Okay, now so we have moved to new place today, so some just bear with for one day today. I think hope now it is fine. So office department are I am going to say department preferred drill path, and from department I need to go to next level arg, and from arg I need to go to company. Okay, so by default drill down is already there, but in case you want drill ups or drill across, means that is your preferred choice. So you go to preferred drill path and then choose the other levels which you want to explore when you go from one level to other level. So now if I select this, previously we have not seen any hyperlink when I choose office. Okay, and you can also select some measure also, but if you select measure, no benefit, because you already calculating at lowest level. Even if you select any other, if you are looking any other column, so you will see column name only, but you will not see any number differences in the measures. Okay, I will show you difference. So now when I select a measure from this way, branch, I'm selecting company, and then I'm selecting one measure, revenue, sum of quantity. So now I have selected a top column, top level column, and when I click this, so in this company, this is the total. But when I click this company, you will go to the next level. Within this company, we have two organizations. So what is the total quantity breakup for each and every organization? We'll see here. And when I click this organization again, it will go, and now whatever quantity you see, this is a breakup of department. So you are just, because you keep adding the columns, so your measures you are looking to go and show the detail level, so it will continue like this. And now have selected office, and if I select a measure here, this will show in every individual office what is the total quantity. So this is a lowest level. Every office means branch level, what is the total, and before that we don't have anything. So when you keep select, so if you don't select preferred drill path, and if you have not chosen to go next level, any other level, so this will be disabled. You will not find anything. Previously you have seen, but we have added some preferred drill path to this particular level, and when you click this, you will keep getting office, department. So the next level to the office is department. So to which departments they are belongs to, and when you click department, it will show they belongs to which organization, and from their company. Then so this is drill up. So if you are really looking this kind of analysis, you can look at, okay, but mostly the drill down is a preferred one, because we will be going by the metrics. So here in this year how much, okay, quarter wise how much, or in this month how much, or week wise how much. That kind of analysis is really going to help, but this is only some information. Let's say you have some example, you have some level, let's say this is a person, I want to know who is this manager, so who is next level of manager. So like this, if you want to go, we'll go by this one. So here, yeah. No, you can see without that also. So why I have select, I'm just showing generally with this way, if you select, there will not be any changes in the number, because you already calculated the low level, so you will not see. Even you can go and generally select a normal column. So without measure also you can select column.
But where is the hierarchy level?
Yeah, hierarchy level we already defined here. You are asking for measure hierarchy.
See, now office to department to company
Level, right.
But our sum of the quantity should be aggregating when it comes to the company
Right.
level and show company budget.
Yes.
Not the office budget.
No. So no. Now,
Here it is.
yeah, here say. So this is company level quantity. So when we click this company, okay, so now currently what is happening is you are looking this quantity to see in the next level. Okay, this is the previously whatever was there, it is sum of these two. So now you have added or selected the next level organization. So whatever number you see, this is related to this. So now you are asking, you also want to see what is the total of this company. Is that you are asking? Now this is right. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, this hierarchy.
Is maintained here as well as our aggregation, everything, whatever.
Yeah, it is.
But on other report, see office.
So this report.
Yeah, that report.
Okay. So this report. So now I am choosing lower level granular.
Office. This is office.
Okay.
Say for example,
Metric. You want to select measure? Okay. Okay. So now when you see result, so this is the individual lowest level. Okay. So now if I select, you will get a next number. Okay. So this calculation will not be, say for example, when I say click department 231, it will not be rolled up. The reason is, when I do calculation, so now that is technically, if you see, these three, I have a report. In this we have three columns and this is one measure. If I go and say group by office, department, organization. So what is the output we'll get? Same output. So that's why it is not showing that. So now your question is, when I ask or when I go this, I want to see what is the total of this organization. Okay, but technically we have all these three columns already. So if you go and see physical SQL, in SQL you will see select office, department, org name, comma, sum of quantity, group by of all these three. So that's why this will not go to the above level. Yeah. So now in case you need such kind of calculation, we will have a different type of technique measure calculated, which is called level based measure. Okay, means this measure, that measure will always calculated at a particular level. Okay, even if you have three columns here, and I can show the value to one particular level. Let's say office level if you want. I have a detail three columns and this showing detail, but still you want in total office how much? In the department how much? Or organization how much? Or combination how much? That will be possible using level based measure. Okay, but in the simple it is not.
My clarity was, my question was clear.
Yeah.
But what I'm thinking, since we are discussing about hierarchical,
Right.
is hierarchy maintained in this report?
Here,
Yeah.
means hierarchy means office, department level. It is maintaining actually. This is coming from the hierarchy only here. No, means I didn't get your question.
I mean, first report hierarchy is clearly maintained.
That is hierarchy. This is also hierarchy. But there, drill down means you are going to the next levels. Okay. But here also it is going hierarchy, but drill up. Okay.
If you see that report, right? It is breaking down the
Yeah, right. Yeah, I got you. So now why it is not breaking up is, you are going to, let's say example, maybe this will give you some clarity. I have, let's say some department, if you take employee table, I have department 10. Okay, and then in the department 10, I have one particular, let's say designation manager, and then I have, let's say clerk. Sub department. So I have example like this. Okay, so I have department 10. In that I have two sub departments. Sorry, it will be. And in this sub department I have one manager. Under this manager, two employees are there, and another manager, two employees are there. So now what I have done, I have selected, okay, currently, and here I have salaries, 1, okay, 1000, 200, some numbers are there. So now currently what I have selected this column. Okay, what column I have selected? Employee E1. Employee column I have selected. And then I have selected total salary. So now means you are looking in every employee what is the salary. So now for E1 you will get 100, and then for E2 you will get 200. Like this it will continue. So now you click this column, it will go to manager. Okay. So now what is the query right now? Technically, select employee number. Okay, group by employee number. Now I have selected this column and then added one more column. Means you added drill up, you clicked on a manager column added. So manager came here. So you have selected technically two columns in a query. So now what will be grouped by? Employee number, comma, manager. So technically your report will still show 100 only. If I write this query, 100 only. It's fine. But that is the reason. Since it is technically going to create that way, okay, so your number will be still same. Now you are looking for, when I select this, the number should go, what is the total in this? You are looking something different. You are looking that kind of information. So that will be done in a with a different approach. Okay, and that measure is called level based measure. That will be creating later. Okay, so in that case your levels will be always created to particular level. Though you have varied, so here it is a granularity problem. So you have selected a detailed level granular column already. So you are selected, you got the detail number. Even if you go to next level also, since your column is there, detail level column. So now if I go to this report, if I delete, say by chance, if I delete this information, sorry. This will be going next levels because you are not. So means in case you are looking that, delete the previous column. That is a technical limitation problem here. So it will not show, and that we are, in case whatever exactly you are asking, if that is a requirement, so we have to go by level based measure, and this will not support because it is very simple for us visually. This is all high funded going down, but technically when you add a column, it is going to place a new column in that report SQL, and it will say group by. So since you have selected already a lower level column in a report in a SQL, even if you add any higher level columns, your number will be that much only. So that is the problem.
I mean, if somebody asks me, like, say in some interview, say for example, in a drill down, in drill up approach,
Yes.
to the granular level,
Yes. Yes.
So can you justify whether it is maintaining the hierarchical structure or not?
Yeah, it is maintaining. Oh, yeah. Maintaining hierarchical structure in terms of the dimensional level, but the measure it is not, because technical that is right also, because you have already selected, you have looking data at this level, and your measure always will be at the lower level only in the analysis side, because you initially you thought at lower level and then you are going at the next levels. Okay, so generally that is roll ups actually. And in case you are looking that kind of things, will create in a level based measure. So in case if anybody asking that, but this justifies because in your analysis you have placed or selected a lower level granular column. So always that will be like this one. And the business will justify that, because so you will think in that matter, I am already looking employee well. So only thing is to which department in the drill ups, you will come to know only this belongs to which, it belongs to which, that's all. But the roll ups will not go because of you are looking data, you are already placed that column over here technically.
Can you go to the criteria?
Criteria? Which criteria? This one or
Results?
results? No, no, I criteria. Okay, design. Okay.
You paste your sum of quantity and office description only to columns.
Sum of quantity and only
Office description.
office description. Okay.
So next office, can you click office description? So here I need to add two columns into one.
You need to add when you click two columns.
Yeah, for example, technology department is there in the department table, line number 6 or 7. Department column.
When you click this, you want to get
Yeah.
department column. You want to get. So
Third column. Can you go to the line number 6?
line number 6 here.
No, department.
Department column line number 6.
Can you go to technology department? Field
Okay.
The two lines will merge into one line.
You want to merge into these two lines into one.
The
So,
next level also we need to merge.
now this will be automatically done. So whenever generally that will see in a reporting. So now this is a repetition, right? Okay. So generally even we don't need to do this. Say for example, that is already happening here. Okay, so this is the default one, and when you go from this kind of level drill ups, okay, so since you are reversed this order, okay, then but still in reporting, in case if there are any values repeated, you can suppress it. That option will do in a reporting. So now there are two values are, let's say here what is this? It is actually same thing what you asked. Okay, this Genmind Corp is supposed to be repeated for 3 times, and since it is the same value, it is suppressing to single column. It is a default behavior. But even wherever it is there, if you want to suppress it to 1, okay, in reporting we can do. We'll see for this column you will have a reporting properties. We'll see that later. And this is not related to RPD. That format changes not related to here. This we will handle in the report structures only. But hierarchical here only. In case you are looking, when you go to the next level calculation, so you will create something called level based measure. It will show always without depending on whatever columns you have selected in a report. This will show what level you are looking. So that is the level based measure actually. And also, and whatever we have discussed, I got you like when you go detail, but technically that is incorrect because you are already selected that column. But the only thing is if you are looking any roll ups actually, as you keep selecting the columns, you keep adding, so that we can do customization actually. And we have to work out how exactly you are looking, then we can do that with the level based measures or something. But the default behavior is this.
Can we understand like if we are clicking on manager, we are getting 2 employees. If we are going to down to up, if I am clicking on E1 is related to -1 only. That's why it might be showing only one value. Can we understand like this?
Yeah, that you can understand, and since whatever example you have told, right, that will be related to value base or parent child, because E1, E2, E3, all the hierarchies are, say example here company is one column, organization is one column, department is one column, office is one column, all are one columns. Means every column is going to be in one level. But you say you are all employees. Okay, he is a CEO and he is a manager and you are reporting like this. But when I put all your employees details in the employee table, all your employee numbers will be in one column. Because though you are interrelated, okay, but every employee number of yours will be there in one column. So I will have another column which will tell you to whom is a manager. So that's why your example is a parent child. So in that case, same thing will, what you understood is right, but the example is different. Okay, so this is drill and also drill downs. These are all mostly the drill downs across as right will be very extensively used in data mining. Okay, and in the data mining means we will go for this cube kind of things. There whatever you ask will come automatically. And when you go up to above levels or any level or any combination, it will automatically rolling up, and all that. While generally part of data mining, all the tools, OLAP related tools will help in that manner. Data mining means more detail. See, OBI is a reporting actually, analytics and reporting. Mining is slightly different. So here our focus should be more on these tools, okay. Cognos, business objects and all these plain tools are meant for presenting whatever data you have with more. Let's say I will key in what I am looking and all. Mining means doing lot of the detailed in-depth analysis. And so like this combination is how much, that combination is how much. So I'll change my criteria very dynamically, and then I want all these things to be seen here. So that generally reporting tools are not really support that level of analysis. Okay, so now we have to see the next one. So every time when we create a hierarchy, I think I'll show one topic and so I'm going to a product. So we have a brand and a brand key. So when I select a brand, okay, it is going to the automatically the next level, LOB, like this it will go. But now I am selecting brand key. What is brand key? It is just a numerical figure for your brand. So brand is a description, brand key is a, so like there is a employee. So we have a employee number and employee name. Sometimes I may use, okay, now example, I have a brand key column, it is equivalent to brand. It is just a numerical representation, and then the other one is a description actually. So even it is also a brand, and when I click this column also, I want to go in a hierarchical structure, because it is also same. I can say employee, I can select employee number or I can select employee name. If you go for general customer names, you will have a customer first name, customer short name, customer full name detailed, or customer something else, alias name. So three, but all are customer names only. But if I place only one column in a level, if you select that column only, you will get the hierarchy. But customer name is same, customer short name is same, customer alias name is all same, belongs to one customer only. So if in case if I want to choose, or if I want, even if I select any similar column of that same meaning, also I want to get the hierarchy structure automatically done. So here every time if you see, we have created only one column here. Brand one column, LOB one column, type one column, one column that is defined as a key, and also I selected one option called use for display. That is the same blind step I followed for every time. Since brand sometimes, okay, brand is there, I will have a brand detailed description example, or brand short name, I have other columns example. In the same way, since I don't have a column, I will choose brand key. Brand key is nothing but a number for that particular brand. So I want hierarchy to be followed, or I want hierarchy even if I select brand key also rather than brand. Since this is not placed, brand key is not placed in this particular column level, so you will not find out any hierarchy over here. So that's why you can place n number of columns in a level for which you are looking any drill techniques. So now I can go and place one more column. Where is product? So I have a brand and brand key. Okay, and brand LOB key. So like this, you can have n number of columns can be placed in a level. Since I have a brand or brand key, so if I select the brand key or if I select the brand, for both next level will be there. Now two things will be here. So we are, every time when I am creating a key, I am selecting two options. I am selecting key, okay, and then I am selecting another option which is called use for display. So actually here key and use for display are two important activities or items in this level, every level. Now what is use for display means? First we will talk about use for display. Now previously in all scenarios I have one column in every level. When you click it is going to next, when I click it is going to next. So now assume that I have selected any one of the column in a report, brand or a brand key. So when I click this, I need to go to next level. But in the next level, how many columns we have? Two columns. So out of these two columns, OBI will never display two columns. It will only display one column. So you have to decide whenever you are going to the next level, which column you want to use to display in a report when somebody clicks to come to that level. So that actually is called use for display. So for every level, when you go here, okay, we are going to create a key, and out of this key, which column is actually you want to use for display. So LOB column. So now previously we have only one only, that's why everything I don't have option. But whenever you have multiple columns, out of these three columns, which column you want to display in a report when somebody clicks or coming from the above level or a bottom level. So if I go and choose brand, so now it will go to this level, but in this level I have two columns, LOB, LOB. So you choose, you want to display LOB or LOB column, LOB key column. So whichever column is chosen for use for display, that column only will be displayed in. If you don't display, if you don't select anything for use for display, you will not get anything. So this is a new feature in the 11. Earlier it was not there, 10. Now, so use for display is fine, but what is the key? The key is actually meant for whenever you are going from one level to the next level, we are going and asking do the calculation or get that information to that level. Say for example, in sometimes, okay, I have a data like this. I have city and state country. Forget about, just to give an example. whether this guy was there or not. So I have a city ID C1. Okay, city description is Hyderabad. City ID C2, also description. Both are Hyderabad, but IDs are different, and the country ID is so now I have data like this. So we have Hyderabad in both countries. So now generally what is happening, mostly when previous hierarchies when I have created, so I was using these kind of columns for hierarchy. Okay, this is one level, this is the next level like this. So now when I select this column, example, okay, now I have selected Hyderabad, or in the Hyderabad you may have different cities streets. So now when I click this Hyderabad column, means city description column, what is there here? Hyderabad. Okay, now when I click this Hyderabad, so I have two values, two Hyderabad's are there. So when I click this Hyderabad, I want to go and pick up street which is related to this Hyderabad. Let's say example this way, street 1, street 2, just for example. Or when I click this Hyderabad, I want to go and display street related to this Hyderabad. And if I don't give you these columns, let's say for a moment, assume that these columns are not present. So I have not given you these columns. I have given you only streets, city description and country. Now, when I have selected this column, you got two Hyderabad's. So when I click this Hyderabad, I want to see streets which are related to this Hyderabad, because this is the Hyderabad which is in India. This is the Hyderabad which is in Pakistan. So this is a very common scenario in data. Hyderabad is Hyderabad, but numbers are given different. So now how can you go and pick up? So city ID is not there, country ID is not there. In this scenario, how can we go and pick up street which is related to this Hyderabad only? If I want to go and find out the streets related to this particular description, I will go and write a query. Select streets from the table where city description is Hyderabad. So what happens? You will get 2 because description is same. So that's why generally descriptions will be used only for display, our just visualization purpose, but backend for any technical tracking purpose, information tracking purpose, mostly will depend on the columns which will uniquely behave or uniquely represent your data. Example, this keys. So now if I know for this Hyderabad the key or city ID is C1 and for this is C2, if I write a query select sheets from this table where city ID equals C1, you will get only that particular value. Okay, that way descriptions generally will not help, only for display purpose. That's the reason mostly in levels when we are creating, you have to have a column which will uniquely identify your data of that particular descriptions or whatever other column. So in the brand, here in the brand also, okay, so brand description sometimes may be same for both. Example, or there is a type, product type or a brand type or something is there. So that may be same for all. So in every level, generally we have to identify a column which will make really your column to be identified uniquely. And this example we'll see in a date actually. So theoretically I'm explaining, practically we'll see. Okay.
You are going to say is 5 years of
Yeah, two.
vector based on the key.
Yes, yes.
This is the display column
Only for display.
so that everybody understands.
Yeah, everybody understand. Technically your all questions will be addressed inside because we are not going to write queries. Okay. So that's why key is going to be used inside technically to retrieve the information what you are going to display. This actual use for display column which you have chosen only to display in a report. So for user it doesn't matter what key column is, but what is the use for display? External person will be worry about that column, but we will be worrying about the key column because that is going to be find out the actual column. That example we'll see in a date actually. Okay, so that is the reason in every level. Yeah.
So in Oracle Kanji, sorry, in Oracle Kanji you mentioned this use to display option is not there. So the same how it was handled.
So use for display option is given in when you create multiple levels. Example, key you can define. Key is there. Use for display is not there. Okay, whatever first column is placed over here, so that used to be go for a use for display. Yeah. So now I am going to brand. So now we have a brand and I also selected use for display. Means the brand I have chosen for key and also use for display, which I don't want. So what I am doing, I am removing, I will delete it just to create again. So key one is there, and in the key first column I am selecting brand key and not selecting brand. And I am not selecting use for display. I am creating a key on brand key column. I am not selecting for use for display and I am not doing anything. Say OK. We'll see this. And now I am creating one more key. Here I am selecting brand and use for display. Okay, so key will be used, your key will be this one and use for display will be this one. Okay, so mostly you will have this kind of design, and LOB also I am doing same thing. Oh, easy. హైట్ నాకు కొద్దిగా ఆఫ్ చేస్తా. So I am selecting, removing this one here, and I am adding one more key. So this is generally interview point of view, this is very important. Why can we create multiple keys? What is this use for display? What is key? Okay, in every level, actually literally we have two keys. Always it will take the first one as a key. Okay, and for this key, if you already selected user display, you are done there itself. But for this key, this is the key actually, and the second one is key, but is the second level it is not going to use. And but for second one you have a user display, use it. So is one is key, one is the user display. So whenever I go, technically it will use this key columns for retrieving the next level of the data, but user display column will be placed in a report for placing the report purpose in the report purpose. Okay, this is how it works. Tomorrow I'll go detail again. Next I'll go one round of repetition. You'll get to know, because we had a lot of breaks today. We'll at least go smooth.